this guy, Max Persons, he's making bankfany teaching people how to crush it on School.
Skool, yeah. It's that platform where you can host courses, memberships, the whole 9 yards.
And get this, Max says the key is giving away tons of free value up front.
It sounds crazy, right? Giving stuff away to make money.
Yeah.
But that's his whole philosophy, build trust first.
Okay, I'm intrigued but skeptical. How does that actually translate to dollar signs?
Think of it like, you know those food samples at the grocery store?
Oh yeah, little bites of deliciousness.
Exactly. You give them a taste, boom, they're hooked. That's how Max explains this whole paid versus free Skool community thing. He's all about both, but he makes a strong case for diving right in to a paid community.
Interesting. A lot of folks I know are hesitant to put up that paywall, especially starting out.
Totally get it. But Max has got this approach. See, with Skool's free trial feature, it's like, test driving a car before you commit.
I like that analogy. So instead of full access, it's a sneak peek to see if it's a good fit.
You got it. He actually calls it the start a 7-day free trial strategy. Just a little taste of your brilliance, enough to leave them wanting more.
Smart. But what exactly are we talking about here? What do you actually include in this free trial without giving away, like, the whole farm?
Right. You got to strike a balance. Max recommends sharing a chunk of your best content during those free days. Could be the first module, some killer worksheets, maybe exclusive access to a live Q&A.
Show them what you got without revealing all the secrets, basically.
Exactly. You want to light that fire, make them crave the full experience, and that's when they'll happily jump into your paid community.
Okay, this is making sense now.